But wait, before we dive into today's mind-blowing topic, I'm thrilled to announce that I've just launched an absolutely free stock market investing course. Yep, you heard me right. Free. The link is right below in the description, so don't miss your chance to become a savvy investor. Now, let's get into the fascinating world of the hindsight bias. It's like having 20/20 vision, but for the past. Buckle up, because we're about to explore this concept with a dash of humor and a sprinkle of insight. Imagine this, you're sipping your morning coffee, checking the stock market updates, and you stumble upon a stock that just doubled in value. If only I'd invested in it earlier. You sigh. That, my friends, is the hindsight bias in action. It's that sneaky voice in our heads that says, hey, I knew it all along, after the fact. But let's be real, the stock market is a labyrinth of unpredictable twists and turns. Hindsight bias makes us believe that we should have known the outcome all along, when in reality, it's easy to connect the dots looking backward. But fear not, fellow financial explorers, because we're about to equip ourselves with a pair of hindsight-proof glasses. Here are some tips. Stay humble, acknowledge that the stock market is as unpredictable as the weather. Nobody has a crystal ball, and that's okay. Document your thoughts, keep a journal of your investment decisions, including the reasoning behind them. This way, you'll have a clear record of your thought process, helping you learn from both wins and losses. Don't beat yourself up over missed opportunities. Instead, focus on what you can do now to make informed choices moving forward. So, my fellow financial explorers, there you have it. The hindsight bias demystified. Remember, we're not fortune tellers. We're investors navigating the unpredictable waters of the stock market. Before you go, don't forget to check out that golden link below for the free stock market investing course. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss, and it might just save you from a bit of hindsight bias down the road. If this video brought a smile to your face and a nugget of wisdom to your brain, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until our next enlightening adventure, happy investing, and may your foresight always be sharper than hindsight.